Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make PayPal business account. So first of all, what you have to do is type in PayPal business account on Google search engine and open the top link. Make sure the link is not sponsored. Click on the top search result. Now you will land on this page. Click on sign up. Now it will open a new page. In order to create a business account, what you have to do is input your first name, your last name, your email address, your password, and also you have to input your phone number which you want to connect with your PayPal business account. And then it may ask you for the nationality. Input your nationality type, your country, and then you have to choose the identification document type. It can be your driver's license or government issued ID. And then it may ask you for date of birth, your home address. If you click on submit, you will land on this page. So this option depends upon your country. It's optional. PayPal may show you this option or may not. And then if you're submitting the application on behalf of someone else or the name of your business, then enter the name. I'm authorized to certify the information on behalf of your business name. And then you have to input your name or the name of the owner and click on certify and submit. And then PayPal will show you thanks for signing up. Now let's get you paid. Now in the next step, what you have to do is to set up payments. And how do you set up payments? It's very easy. What you have to do is simply link your business bank account to your PayPal account. So once you link your bank account with PayPal, then that's all what is required to set up your payments. So once your bank account has been linked, then you have successfully created PayPal business account. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.